Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we'll run Pocket Option Robot, Alpha 1 Trader. You can download this binary option robot completely for free also. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also make sure you check out my Forex Telegram channel, link below the video for that also. But for now, let's start up Alpha 1 Trader. And just like that, $129 in matter of minutes again. You can download this robot also, link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.